Hi all, welcome to another edition of QuickTip videos brought to you by dataplatformcentral.com. In this edition, we are going to see a very simple but pretty useful feature which has been there in Power BI for a while in preview mode. This feature comes extremely handy for those who work frequently with JSON documents. In the current age, JSON is one of the most popular formats of data which is used for communication between multiple types of heterogeneous systems. As such, quite often we would require working directly with JSON documents to ingest the data to your Power BI model. In such cases, we can make use of this pretty smart feature called JSON table inference so as to make our lives much more easier. So let's jump quickly onto a short demo of how you can enable and use this feature inside our Power BI model and save some development effort while ingesting data from JSON documents. To start off the demo, let's first look at what happens when we try to ingest data from a JSON document. That is the default behavior inside your Power BI desktop. So let's go to the get data option, go to file, and you have an option called JSON. Select that option, click on connect. It will ask you for the URL of the file where you have the JSON data. So I'm going to go to one of my JSON data which I am storing inside one of my folders. So for this demo, I'm going to use some models.json which contains some product model related data. So when you try to connect to that JSON document, you can see that it gets opened inside a Power Query window, but all you see is just a list. So the first step that you have to do while you are ingesting data from a JSON document is to convert it into a table. So that the list will get converted into a 2-column table, one with the name of that JSON root and then the list of values. Now from here you have to expand the values next, expand to new rows so that the list will get converted into each record. So if you see the JSON document, the JSON document will have a root element, and then inside that you will have each of those JSON elements which will contain your actual row data. This gets converted into a record model, and now you have to go to each of these records and expand the columns within it. So we have 3 columns: product model ID, name and modified date coming inside it. Click on OK. Automatically it will get converted into 3 columns. Then because of this root, it will have one more additional column which you have to remove if you really don't need as a part of your model. This is how a typical JSON data will get ingested into your model when you are trying to use the default option available inside your Power BI desktop. Now let's see what happens when we use this new preview feature. For this, let's go back. I'm not going to save it for now because we are going to get the data in the proper format. So I'm going to discard all the changes that I have done so far. Go to file. Because it's a preview feature, we have to first enable it. Go to options and settings, go to options, and there will be a preview feature option for JSON table inference, and you have to enable that. Go to preview features and enable the JSON table inference setting to make sure that you use this advanced feature which is currently in the preview stage. And because you have enabled the preview feature, you have to restart your Power BI desktop. So close it and open it again. Once the Power BI desktop reloads, now the feature is enabled, so you can directly go to get data and again browse to the JSON option. After choosing the JSON option, browse to your file. Browse to the folder where you have the file and select the same file. Now if you see, it will automatically infer the table from this and automatically give you the flattened data as individual records instead of you applying any of such additional steps. As you see now, it automatically did all the work for you on the background. It automatically converted the list to the table, and from the table, from each of those records, it expanded the columns for you, which means that you don't really have to do all those steps by yourself. So this nice and little feature helps you in expanding the JSON data from the document into a properly constructed table within your Power BI desktop, and you don't have to do any additional efforts from your end. So this is a small enhancement which can be used for saving some development effort while you are working with JSON documents to ingest data. Hope you found this quick tip useful. Feel free to post your honest feedback, and to get such useful info in future, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications. Meet you all soon with another useful quick tip. Till then, bye.